So guys, di ba ang ganda? Diyan guys, yan, oh, yan. Yan, tispan. Oh, diyan, tispan yan guys. Di ba? Ang ganda. May tispan na, tapos, dito side naman is dagat. So, yeah. Nandito kami sa second floor. Sana all may second floor, di ba guys? Ang ganda, yan. Ihaw-ihaw kami ng isda. Kita ko sa inyo yung isda namin. Andun! Andun yung isda. Oh, may gulay. We have fish. So, it's kind of bit raining, guys. Yan. Kaya hindi muna kami bababa. We're gonna stay here and relax. Oh, ulala. Look at that. So, yan, guys. Diba ang ganda? Oh, that's so cutie. Dog is so cutie. Yan, guys. It's so beautiful and very, very relaxing. And nobody's here. Yeah, if you want a peace of mind and nobody's here, it's only us, then look at. It's so beautiful. Yeah. Ooh la la. Nang ko 30 minutes ha. 30 minutes. Yan ay kuya ng DJI. Oh my goodness. Kaming kasadalas. Pila nini? 28. Sige, Hello na, basta. Maganda po yan. Kaya na po yan.